Hello guys, this is Tutorial Stream, and in this video you will learn how you can add collaborators or co-editors to your photo albums in Ente.com, for example, to give them access to your albums so that they may help you edit your photos and images. So let us begin. Navigate to the Ente.com application, for example through the web version, log into your account, and here at the top guys you will just see a list of your albums. So select the given album. I will go with this one, and then guys, in the given album settings, click into modify sharing in the top right, and here what you want to do is click into add collaborators, not admins, not viewers, but collaborators. And then guys, you will need to enter the recipient's email address here of the collaborator to send an email invitation to that album, and then click into this button to send the invitation. You can of course do this multiple times and thus invite more collaborators and wait for the invitation to be accepted or declined via email. That's how it works guys. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed it, and until next time.